Hello everyone, today we'll be talking about how to get more power out of your Hangkai 18. We'll start off by looking at our throttle, and then we'll move to adjusting and looking at our timing. First, we're checking to see if our throttle flap will move all the way when our throttle is set to full. If the tab on the throttle is not touching the stopper, it needs to be adjusted. There's a few ways to try to fix this, and the first one would be trying to adjust your throttle cables. Move the top one as far out as possible and the bottom one as far in as possible. If this still doesn't give you full throttle, there's one more free way that you could possibly do it. This way involves removing the tiller handle grip and shaving down the throttle stopper. As you can see here, I've shaved about half an inch off where the red marker is at to allow the throttle to continue moving. This will allow your tiller handle to advance past 100% and allow the butterfly valve to open fully. If you don't want to cut your tiller handle, you can also replace the stock Hangkai cables with OEM YAMAHA cables. Link to the correct part number will be in the description. Timing is also very important to make sure your engine is running at maximum efficiency. We'll first start by adjusting the idle timing. Make sure your tiller is set to 0% throttle. Move your flywheel to 5 degrees above top dead center. Then make sure your arm underneath is lined up with your timing mark. Now that the idle timing has been set, move the throttle to full and move the flywheel to 30 degrees before top dead center. If your idle timing is properly set, then your arm should line up with the bottom timing mark. If you found this video helpful, please consider dropping a like, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments.